Hello, sir. How much this cloth?
Hi! I think you meant to say, how much is this shirt? It's $25.
Oh, I see. This color is very bored.
I get you. You can say, this color is very boring. Bored is how we feel. Boring is the thing.
I want to try this clothes.
Almost there. Try saying, I want to try on these clothes. We say, try on for clothing.
This t-shirt too much big for me.
Good try. You can say, this t-shirt is too big for me.
I no like this material.
That makes sense. You can say, I don't like this material.
Can I change with another size?
Yes, you can. But we usually say, can I exchange it for another size?
I want buy 3 shirt more.
Great. Just say, I want to buy 3 more shirts. You're doing really well.
Where I can find the small?
You're close. Try, where can I find the small size?
Thank you for help me with my English.
You're very welcome. You could also say, thank you for helping me with my English. You're making great progress.